Ever wondered how massive concrete walls, slabs, and beams are built before they even reach the construction site? Welcome to Mixture Knowledge. This video takes you inside the factory. No fluff, just real process, real engineering. The journey begins with molds, reusable, precise, and clean. These forms shape everything from walls to manholes. Every millimeter matters. A tiny mistake here can ruin the whole piece. Next comes steel reinforcement, carefully placed to handle stress. These aren't just rods, they're the muscles of precast elements. Now, the concrete mix is poured with precision. Vibration tools make sure there's no air trapped inside. This ensures strength, durability, and a perfect finish. Time to cure. In controlled environments, heat and humidity are used to accelerate hardening without compromising quality. Unlike on-site concrete, precast doesn't fear the weather. Once cured, the element is demolded and lifted using special hooks and cranes. It's heavy, so safety is everything. Finished pieces are stored in the yard, tagged, and then transported to the construction site like ready-made Lego blocks. Once on site, these pieces are assembled in record time, saving weeks compared to cast-in-place work. So here's a quick recap. Mold setup 2, rebar, placement 3, concrete, pouring 4, curing 5, demolding 6, transport 7, installation. Precast isn't just concrete, it's construction evolved. If you learned something today, smash that like button and subscribe for more real-world construction breakdowns. Comment below, which step do you think is the most important in precast?